Hey guys, Michael here with Flat 6 Motorsports. Today we're going to be talking about a Soul Performance exhaust system for a 992.1 GT3. This is going to be their full exhaust system, so headers, high flow cats, and their valved muffler section. Really not much needs to be said. I mean, it's a GT3 with a full exhaust system. I'll let the exhaust do the talking for itself. But I just wanted to give a little insight on it. As far as what video might not, do justice for, which is obviously it's a 4-liter GT3 with a full exhaust system. It sounds absolutely incredible. A little, I guess, key points about Soul Performance specifically that makes their system a little unique would basically be just the sound profile. There's a lot of different variations of exhaust for this car. Some are a little bit more aggressive than others. Some are a little bit more mild. I find that Soul sits right in the middle, so it's a very balanced system that gives you the sound profile that you'd want and the volume that you'd want, but I wouldn't consider it to be an overly aggressive system. It really sits right in the middle of kind of what's available on the market. We're pretty fortunate at Flat 6. We get access to a lot of P cars with a lot of different exhaust configurations. Just as context, I've personally owned 2 GT3s. And I generally tend to gravitate towards Soul personally. Sound is subjective, but I find that it fits the car very well in the sense that it's a very refined sound, very smooth sound. There's some systems out there that tend to be a little bit more aggressive in the sense of volume, and sound profile can be a little bit more raspy, let's call it, or just has a bit more of a grunt and I want to call it maybe like a dirty sound, whereas Soul tends to be, as you can hear, just a very smooth, flat, crisp note, which is what I really enjoy about Soul's products across all of their model ranges, but specifically on a GT3, specifically a 992 GT3, it just has a very crisp note. Some systems can be, especially if you go catless, tend to be pretty raspy in nature. Some guys like that. I just feel that this system really fits this car well. So that's enough of me talking. I'll give you some sound clips from inside. We'll also have some sound clips from outside. But if something like this would interest you, definitely visit us flat6.com. Thanks.